Hi, welcome back to the channel, and a special thank you to all the new subscribers. If you saw part 1 of this video series, you'll know that we've removed the cylinder head from Swampy's MGTF VVC because it had low compression in cylinder number 4. So one theory for the lack of compression is that something's fallen into the cylinder, been burnt, and the residue is stopping one or more of the valves from closing. We previously looked into the cylinders using a borescope, and we could see that there's something, possibly plastic material, in there. So now the head's off, it's looking like that theory could be correct. There's indeed something encrusted or melted onto the top of pistons 3 and 4, and some of the valves definitely look gummed up.
Nothing obvious.
Today we're stripping the head. We will start by removing the main timing belt, cam gears and backing plate.
Up with it. Oh, that's rather tight. Like a... Oh yeah. Perfect. I'm thinking around about the 40.
Now the second timing belt, cam gears and backing plate. Are you ready? Gone. Okay. Right. We're not quite sure what the adjustment of these solenoids does yet, but the workshop manual says to mark their position, so that's what we've done. Right, back to the timing gear. Ready? Okay. And you go there.
Right, all for the job.
Absolutely. So we've got a couple of timing marks on the back there.
Yeah, they probably
Which
need,
will...
you know, using.
Now Swampy's starting the removal of the hydraulic control unit. This is the actual VVC activator controlled by the ECU. This is really quite interesting. You can see how the hydraulic control unit adjusts the cams to advance and retard the valves opening and closing. 9.
I don't want to ring rather
I
than
want a proper ring.
yeah.
If I can find one.
Oh, there we are. Oh, there we go. Coming off.
Yep. Done.
Chop those bolts down on the.
Okay.
Oh. That's not very nice. Yeah, that should just come out now.
Then we've got that. Right, so this is where things went a little wrong. It turns out that we're not supposed to remove those mechanisms from the camshaft carrier. The workshop manual has a serious warning about having to replace the entire unit if disturbed. We possibly should have read that bit first. So, don't do what we did. We're usually pretty careful. We don't make mistakes very often, but this time we actually might have. Personally, I'm working on the basis that that's something that a Rover dealer working on a 2-year-old car would have had to comply with. This is 3 blokes working in the headquarters of Swampy Autos, i.e. his garage, and we're working on a 21-year-old car. It's bits of metal, they were together in a certain order. We ought to be able to work out what that order was, put them back together. We just need to do a bit of research. Being positive, maybe it's a chance to learn about some stuff we otherwise would not have looked at. We're also not sure if we'd be able to use the sonic cleaner that you'll see later if we hadn't taken them off. Anyway, there's nothing we can do at the moment, so on with the job. The next job is to remove all the bolts that fix the cam carrier to the head. There are 32 of them and they need to be removed in the order specified by the workshop manual. Hey, there we go. Thankfully that came apart easily. We were supposed to have left those 2 VVC mechanisms attached to the camshaft carrier. That way they'd have remained attached to the camshaft and they could have been removed from the head along with the shafts and the carrier as a single unit. Finally, we removed the cam followers and valve gear. This is the same thing 16 times and quite straightforward. When we get to the reassembly phase, I'll make sure I get some close-up video of exactly how these fit together.
Maybe we haven't released them quite as well as we thought we did.
Yeah, that's it, because that's sprung nicely now. So we can just take the collet out. It probably doesn't need to be much more than that.
Where's the
So,
railer magnet? There it is. The right direction is probably better.
there's going to be great fun to put back. One. Two. Then
In the box.
probably went to bed. Okay, so I have a spring. Cool.
The inlet's
Next jobs are to research how we rebuild the whole VVC that we should not have pulled apart in the first place, and to thoroughly clean everything. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back in 10 days or so. Cheers.